Westside Cleveland Wild Boys, Eastside Cleveland Wild Boys. We got baseball bats like the Indians, and my team pop off like Cowboys.
Ooh, got baseball bats like the Indians, though, and my team pops off like the Cowboys, though. That goes to show how long ago this was, because the Cowboys don't do no popping off no more. Let's get it, man. Yes, sir, Bobski. What it do, baby, man? It's your boy, Just Half, and I'm back again with some more reaction videos over here, man. So look, everybody who really follow me, my real supporters out there, my real family members, y'all be seeing my little posts I be doing on my community. So I asked the other day, about doing a Throwback Thursday. So I'm gonna try it out, see how it happens, see how it works. You know what I'm saying? So I put a little post on there for y'all to give me some song suggestions. So I picked 3, you know what I mean? And one of the song suggestions that I'm gonna be doing is going to be a throwback. It's gonna be, y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the title, Machine Gun Kelly. You feel me? Wild Boy. You know what I'm talking about? So we're gonna do it Throwback Thursday. I'm gonna drop probably about 3 to 4 videos every Thursday for a throwback song. You know, however you guys want it, rap, R&B, country, whatever. But like I say, which ones get the most likes, more than likely they'll be the ones I'm gonna go with as far as doing the reaction for. Okay, so majority always rules, right? Or wins, right? Right. All right, so with that being said, we're gonna jump into this Machine Gun Kelly. I feel like we go back to his first album, which was Wild Boy. I forgot what the album, or Lace Up, I think it was called. So I feel we go back to his first album, and we start from there. You know what I'm saying? And again, we keep going based off the song suggestions that y'all give me, based off the views and things like that, how good they do. We'll go like that, all right? So with that being said, man, enough talking. I ain't gonna keep holding y'all. Make sure y'all smash that subscribe button, man, for all my new family members coming in, joining us. Make sure y'all leave the comments down below, like this video. Let's help this video get out there to the algorithm, all right? So here we go. Y'all ready for it? Got your utensils. You feel me? Because we over here on the Just Have channel. That's what we do. And we about to get into it, man. Let's go, baby. Follow me and everything down in the description. Let's go. Lace up.
Dad, Mom, this is my new boyfriend, MGK. He's a rapper.
He's a rapper. What does MGK stand for?
Machine Gun Kelly.
Machine Gun Criminal Rapper Kelly? That's nice.
Yeah, look how young he looked back then, though, man. Wow. That was about 10 years ago or so? Somewhere around in there, 12 years ago, something like that.
And who's your friend?
I'm on your Walker Flocka.
What do you do?
Oh, you wanna know what I do? Spread up.
Man, Throwback Thursday, baby. MGK, man. Wild Boy. Featuring that boy, Walker. You feel me? And it's your boy, Just Have. And I'm out this thing, baby. Peace.